I stopped chasing leads and built one system that brings in clients every week without posting daily. If you're a coach, consultant, or expert creating content but still wondering where the clients are, this is for you. Because the problem isn't that you're not working hard enough, it's that your content doesn't have a system behind it. So most coaches are doing exactly what they've been told to do: post more, be consistent, show up every day, create value. And none of that is wrong. It's just incomplete because content by itself doesn't create clients. Content plus structure does. So here's the real issue most people don't realize. You don't have a traffic problem. You have a leak problem. So people are watching your videos, they're liking your posts, they're even thinking this person knows what they're talking about, and then nothing happens. Not because your content isn't good, but because it has nowhere to go. When attention doesn't have a clear next step, it disappears. So most coaches respond by doing more posts, more platforms, more effort, but more content doesn't fix a broken path. If every post starts from zero, growth stays inconsistent, no matter how good your message is. So, what actually matters is whether one piece of content keeps working after you stop posting. That's where most people get automation wrong. Automation doesn't fail because it's complicated, it fails because it's built backwards. So, most people automate after they talk to someone: reminders, follow ups, scheduling. But the real leverage happens before the conversation. When a system answers the questions for you, builds trust for you, and filters people before they ever reach you, that's when selling stops feeling like convincing. Here's the shift that changed everything for me. Your content shouldn't try to convert, it should hand people off. So, one clear next step, one destination, one system that does the warming automatically. And when I stopped posting for engagement and started posting for movement, clients began showing up consistently. Not because I posted more, but because every post had somewhere intentional to go. And once that system was in place, something unexpected happened. I stopped answering the same questions over and over and over again. I stopped chasing DMs. I stopped feeling pressure to be on all the time. And calls just got easier. Conversations started warmer. And growth felt calm instead of chaotic. And that's when I realized that this isn't about working harder, it's about leverage. So, YouTube growth isn't about one perfect video, it's about reps. If you upload consistently, one of your videos will pop. And when it does, it sends traffic to everything else. So, the system makes sure that the traffic turns into something real. And that's how growth becomes predictable instead of stressful. And this can go for any kind of post, by the way, not just YouTube posts. If this is clicking for you and you realize your content needs a system behind it, then the next step is below this video. No pressure, just something to help you build this the right way instead of guessing. And if this helped you see content differently, then let me know in the comments. In the next video, I'll be breaking down the exact funnel structure that turns views into booked calls without ads, without overwhelm, or constant posting. I'll see you in the next one.